How to change life with positivity. Positivity can be a powerful tool for changing your life. Here are some ways to cultivate it. Practice gratitude. Write down 3 to 5 things you're grateful for each day. This helps shift your focus to the positive aspects of your life. Express gratitude. Tell loved ones, friends, and even strangers how much you appreciate them. Cultivate positive self-talk. Challenge negative thoughts. When negative thoughts arise, consciously challenge them. Are they truly accurate? Are there alternative, more positive ways to view the situation? Affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reprogram your subconscious mind. Repeat phrases like I am capable, I am worthy, and I am strong. Surround yourself with positivity. Limit negativity. Reduce exposure to negative news, toxic people, and pessimistic environments. Seek out positive influences. Spend time with uplifting people, read inspiring books, and listen to uplifting music. Focus on the present moment. Mindfulness practices. Engage in activities like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga to become more aware of the present moment. This helps reduce anxiety and stress. Enjoy the journey. Instead of focusing solely on future goals, savor the small joys and experiences in your daily life. Take care of yourself. Prioritize physical health. Exercise regularly, eat a healthy diet, and get enough sleep. Engage in hobbies. Pursue activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Practice acts of kindness. Help others. Volunteer your time, donate to charity, or simply offer a helping hand to someone in need. Spread kindness. Perform small acts of kindness throughout your day, such as holding a door open or offering a compliment. Important note: positivity isn't about ignoring negative emotions. It's about acknowledging them, processing them healthily, and choosing to focus on the good. If you're struggling with negative thoughts or emotions, consider seeking support from a therapist or counselor. By consistently practicing these techniques, you can cultivate a more positive mindset and create a more fulfilling and joyful life.